First take this with a small screwdriver through this crack. Knock this jam out. Over here, too. Get the drums out. Wrap the drums in black paper. Lay STH on the side. Installing the drum core. To replace the drum core, you need to take off the bearings, then replace. Put it in like this. The side with the ruler faces the black side. Then insert this carabiner. The flat end of a right angle faces the center. This slanted end presses in toward the 5. This one's the same. Putting the sleeve back in the machine.